these questions answered, where it says, what is an electrocardiogram? That is a recording of the electrical currents that propagate through the heart. That's electrocardiogram. The electrical propagate means to multiply. Recording of electrical currents that propagate through the heart. And then it asks what a lead. I ask you what a lead is. That's where electrodes are placed at various places on the body. And then they detect the electrical activity. All right, now you need to review back over first degree heart block, second degree voltage 1, second degree voltage 2, and third degree. Okay? Now check back over that. Let me show you. Here's the key thing for right here, and I'll go over that with you a little bit more. But the key thing right here, each one of these marks, from here to there, to there, and it's kind of hard to see right here up there, but there's a mark. You can probably see my hand, can't you? Can you see my hand? There, 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 and there. Y'all can see that, can't you? Mm-hmm. All right, now look. Now here's the key thing you got to know. Now, Brenda, we're going to calculate this heart rate by counting. Here's what you do. You have to remember one simple mathematical formula. We get 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 seconds. All right, so you multiply the number of R peaks. Pardon me, I'm sorry, it should be 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should have 6 seconds. Actually, because you got to get, okay. All right, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You count the number of R peaks in a 6-second interval and multiply by what to get a minute? What do you think? Huh? 10. Good job. Good job. Multiply the number of R, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 R peaks, in this case, in a 6-second interval. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiply the number of R peaks in a 6-second interval and multiply that by 10. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 10 is 60. So we say the heart rate here is 60 beats a minute in that one. All right, look at this guy up here. Now I'm going to change something on you here. I'm going to change something. I'm going to change this one. Now wait a minute. I'm going to change this out. All right, look at this one. This is, okay, now look. Can you see this up here? All right, look at this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Can y'all all see that? Can you see that? Can you see that, Brenda? You can't see
I'm catching a glare, but it's okay.
Okay, can some of you see it? Yeah. All right, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, this says sinus bradycardia. That'd be like Lance Armstrong. Sinus brady. All right, so I got 1, 2, 3. The heart rate is what?
30.
30. Heart rate there is 30. What did I do? I've got to sit, and I'd have this marked off for me. I'd have the seconds marked off for me. I have that done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and then this right here. Okay, so we got 30. How did we get 30? Everybody know that? You know that? Count these R peaks. Just if you can't remember this, write down the formula. Count the number of R's in a 6-second interval and multiply by 10. See what I mean? All right, look at this. This one up here at the top. This is sinus rhythm. They used to say normal sinus rhythm. Now they just say sinus rhythm. All right, look at this guy's heart rate. Sinus, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll cut him off right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we would do, count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 10 is 90. Now remember, 90, that's still considered in the normal value, 90. Gets on up above 100, you start getting into tachycardia, a fast heart rate. But that one right there would be 90. All right, the others down here, I don't know if I have them marked off real good. this one down here, the one I showed you a while ago. The one down at the bottom, second degree type 2, second degree type 2, all right? This guy, all right, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. You see that? Who doesn't see that? Let me do I need to say that again? Does everybody got that? You count the number of peaks in a 6 second. First you get your 6 seconds. I'd have to give you that because these things will probably be so dull. But see, really, now let me show you something. Y'all follow me. Y'all follow me. All right, look. Can you see? In each one of these, the little bitty squares in there would be 5. 0.04 times 5. That's 2 tenths, 2 tenths, 2 tenths, 2 tenths, 2 tenths. 2 tenths times 5 is 1. 1.0. That's a second. That's how I got a second. Each one of these little bitty squares and the little tiny ones in there is 0.04. In other words, 0.04 times 5 is 2 tenths. So I've got 2 tenths, 2 tenths, 2 tenths, 2 tenths, 1 second. 2 tenths, 2 tenths, 2 tenths, 2 tenths, 2 tenths, 5 by 2 tenths, 1 second, and so forth. You kind of see that? You kind of see? This thing right here, this little deal right here, let me show you, if we've got it. I had it on one of these things. I had it.